Plastic pollution is one of the major crises of our time. Reducing virgin plastic production is a necessity. But what about the 8.3 million tons of plastic that are already in the environment? Introducing the mini Polyfloss machine, a small and accessible recycling machine you can take anywhere in the world to locally recycle your waste and support circular economy. This new technology has been inspired by cotton candy machines and it opens up for new creative uses. It transforms everyday waste into a versatile fibers that can be molded, pressed, woven or felted, you name it.
The Polyfloss machine transforms shredded or pelletized plastics into fibers through centrifugation and blowing. The machine actually consists in two systems. First, we've got the extruder that melts and homogenizes the plastic. Then the melted plastic gets to the rotational head where it's spun into fibers. Finally, the fibers are being further elongated and cooled down in an stream. The Polyfloss machine features a custom design heating chamber, a precision-made spinner head, and swappable nozzle plates. Every aspect of the machine is managed by the microcontroller, allowing you to conduct semi-automated operation and remote diagnostics. The machine can process multiple types of plastic by adjusting the temperatures, rotational speeds and airflow.
So what can you do with Polyfloss? If you're working in a fab lab, with our machine you can reuse your 3D prints creatively. Just shred your waste, spin it into a floss, and you can then iron it and make new sheets for your laser cutting projects. If you're into textiles, waste becomes a new resource. You can use discarded packaging or bottles, for example, and create new wool. It can be transformed into yarns, fibers, threads, weaves, felts or knits. Just unleash your craft. Are you already running a plastic recycling workshop? Then Polyfloss gives you new opportunities in combination with existing tools like heat molding or sheet pressing. You can then make insulation panel, lightweight bricks or protective packaging to replace expanded polystyrene. We are the Polyfloss Factory, a team of designers and engineers dedicated to develop this technology for 15 years now. Our idea when we started was to imagine tools to create local circular economies of plastic. If bricks, panels or solid molding already exist, there wasn't any process out there to create what plastic is good at, which is flexibility. But how to do that? We got inspired by cotton candy and we invented the plastic equivalent. For the last years, we've worked with NGOs to provide capacities to recycle plastics in emergency contexts. We've traveled the world with our bigger machine and set up recycling initiatives in Asia, Middle East and Africa. So we've tested and improved the technology during all these projects, and we're now launching a smaller version for all the creative communities, makers and recyclers around the world.
We are now fully set and ready for production. Please back us up and let's spin a better future together.